Birtage Pietum Aphan Nilitum APHLC Central Committee Pen Nangatoning Riating Ben Nanglitum Dakewang Port Nanglitum Han Churolo Tini Nilitum Dakaninge Nangkok Kewang Nangkok Athegela Sonlo Ajirding Plui Pen Ilitum A Autonomous Council Ajakong Nang pe bob bom lo Athima Ilitum Akhei Aphan La Asamalong Kido Jasemet Arian Akhei Atum La pen India government along ta Arian Akhei Atum Ilitum Akhei Mongolian Akhei Phanke Elang Rock Pen Ilitum Six Schedule Pen Kelong A political Ajakong Ilitum Phan Nang pe bob bom La Sonsi Alang Litum Claim Lo Pini Anke Theklong Lo Nilitum 2015-16 Ahut Pen Ningjelo La Pen Nelia Bangke 2007 Ning Kan Newspaper Along Ke Klang Karbiang Long La Pen Assam A District Nogao A District Terem Plak Ke Bongo Bhumi Pinchong Dat Jitu Bongo Bhumi La Ke Bengolia Tum Adet Ku Pinchong Dat Jitu Alam Bongo Senatum Ningjelo La Ke 2000 Surihini Ra Troxia Ning Kansi Kaningje La Pen La So Bongo Senatum A Procession Ke Klang Ta Dalim Bari Pen Boksong Dalim Bari Malom Bansi Ke Klang Non An Ke Ilitum Theklong Lo Anajir Kiding Hill Area Minister Pulotan Ke Inglong Aso IMLA Si Hill Area Minister Mandun Titi Athema Six Schedule Ajak Kongke Hill Area Hill Tribe Atum Angbong Along Si Duk Six Schedule Ajak Kongke Hill Tribes Atum Inglong Ajoke Duk Akhei So Atum Tribe Atum Aphan Karbi Mizo Naga Khasi Garo Dimasa Tiwa La Sham Latum Kupi Rengmanaga Latum Along Si Ajak Kongdu La si Minister Hill Area Minister Puta Inglong Arat IMLA Pensi Minister Mandun Verne La non BJP Atum Nang Klang Det Pen Ni BJP Atum Jakong Long Lok Pen Alang Litum Yu Kedam Tang Ningkan Pota A Home Amunit Aphansi Ha Sipsagor Anathu Kewang Anathu Pen Kewang IMLA Phan Alang Lige Mongolian Lo Veta Alang Li Hill Tribe Kalidet Alang Li Phansi MLA Minister HED Minister Pilo La Pen Non Bangke Bengali Phansi Pidet Lo Kei Alam Ningjenang Kok Lo Athema Bang Kei Alam Kei Aphan Lang Si Halatum Claim Da Claim Lo Bongo Sena Ku La Ke Kei Alam Lo Bongo Sena Atum Aning Ke Hang Kape Pling Dia Phan Karbiang Long Ke Bengali Adet Kape Plang Dia Phansi Non Krishnendu Pal APHLC HAD Minister Tilo alang lige RSS amunit la pen Borak Valley Silchar na tu pen amunit lo alang liphansi Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong di Mahasau ahempu penchong aprang benta Constituent Assembly debate sota ket kipudo Hill Area Minister ke pavedet sita chok wala daki pudo sita non ke pedokok lo baru pedokok lo sita inglong asosi Hill Area Minister bom aprang benta Captain Sangma ta Hill Area Minister lo Maham Singh ta Hill Area Minister lo La Phike Satro Singh Terona ke hai ta Hill Area Minister lo La Phike Dhoniram Rongpia ke hai ta Hill Area Minister lo La Phike Gandhiram Timung ta Hill Area Minister man lo La pen ke Barelong Terang ta man lo La pen ke Dorsing Terang ta man lo La pen non aphi Sum rong hang ake hai ta man lo son si ilitum 6 schedule area ke 6 schedule amunit si lang bom lo teta non ke ilitum adet karbialong ri la pen di Mahasau anta bongo sena tung ipuateng si bongo bhumi kapet chongji anat si non pon bom lo non bongo sena amunit si ba bongo sena pen alang li kachechini dota tek alang li methang mat ke bongo sena ka lidet mene seta alang li tum akhei si non ke ilitum ara det ahempu man lo aja ka tungne pulo la ke minister cho CEM si jata claim ji pulo Chief Executive Member si jata claim di pulo. Ahok lo. Six schedule jong si kapang tang pe meji pulong tang te. Ahok lo. Six schedule Chief Executive Member si jata claim di ahok alam kata. Seta. Haro Krisir Kebra. Pok Kebra. Troksir Kebra Poninkan. Haro Krisir Kebra. Troksir Kebra Poninkan. Six schedule Constitution Amendment along. Isi Governor Ajakong papaway to that sea. Pherangke with the recommendations of the governor with respect thereto. We can talk do. Hala swadim ke non ke the government of the state we talk wrong. Namane government of Assam we talk wrong. Namane government of Assam kulo tante like Assam a council of ministers atum alam lo lamang alang yung ajakong pikok lo 1995 aningkan ASDC ho MOU kasohi ho MOU sohidet penamat six schedule amended no parliament atu ka amend ta prapik hangjan siklo yonong petandet mange ate ba Bongo sena tu maning ke hang akam lo pojo ama ki claim ta pe prapti ala so non hill area a minister bang aja kong ave pusi pulo seta paragraph 14 along ang ding pi krep hi along ketok dak la pu hello the governor may at any time appoint a commission to examine and report on any matter specified by him relating to the administration of the autonomous districts and autonomous regions in the state, including matters specified in clauses C, D, E, and F of subparagraph 3 of paragraph 1 of this schedule, or may appoint a commission to inquire into and report from time to time on the administration of autonomous districts and autonomous regions in the state generally and in particular, on the provisions of educational and medical facilities and communications in such districts and regions, the need for any new or special legislation in respect of such districts and regions, and the administration of the laws, rules, and regulations made by the district council or the regional council and the regional council or and define the procedure to be followed by such commission. Halada kopilo Meiphu Commission Governor aning hanglote appoint ame kopi pisi ke chok tema pu ke lang ya phan. Kopi pilo la commission ke lang nahi. Halo so commission ke lang nahi ke C abang ke B kunana lo C gadi kalang C D E F C D E F C get create a new autonomous district, increase the area of any autonomous district, diminish the area of any autonomous district, unite two or more